How do you use TICO at media links?
So we use TICO compression at media links in our codecs and IP adapters to adapt video, especially UHD 4K video, to a 10 gigabit interface.
Which challenges does your product solve for your customers?
Our customers are using IP infrastructure, mainly 10 gigabit interfaces, which most of their signals are 2K signals, but they have a small tier of 4K, and they want to use the same switching infrastructure. 4K being 12 gigabit doesn't naturally fit over the 10 gigabit infrastructure. With TICO coding, it can fit over that same 10 gigabit interface. In fact, you can get multiple 4K streams over that interface. So that's the problem it solves for our customers.
Which benefits does TICO bring over uncompressed?
So the TICO codec is very high quality and very low latency. So as an alternative to uncompressed, it gives some of the same feature set, as well as it being transported as SDI, as a coded SDI. So the same infrastructure that handles SDI can handle a 4K coded signal to 1080p SDI. So it works, the same infrastructure works for both uncompressed SDI and 4K.
What's your opinion on the industry transition to IP, and what role does TICO play in that?
So the industry transition to IP is starting to occur, actually has been occurring for some time. SDI mostly is 1080i, 50, some migration to 1080p, and there's a smaller migration to 4K. The infrastructure that's being deployed mostly is 10 gigabit infrastructure because it's fairly cost effective now to do that. The 4K signals at 12 gigabit don't really play in that infrastructure, and most of the IP infrastructure that's going in is 10 gigabit based. We see 4K using TICO coding playing into that infrastructure very easily and being a good play for our customers now. Maybe in the future, as the IP networks get higher bandwidth, then there could be an uncompressed play, but right now the TICO coded video within the 10 gigabit infrastructure makes a lot of sense. Hi, I'm John Dale with Media Links, and we're part of the TICO Alliance.